The first method is to test sound quality. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for control panel, then click on hardware and sound. Now click on sound option. After that, select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, then click on advanced, and here you need to select 24-bit 48,000 Hz and then click on apply and OK. If it's already selected, you should select other and then try each of them, and after that click on apply and OK, and you should check if the sound problem is resolved or not while playing the game. Next solution is to update audio driver. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand sound, video and game controllers. Here select your audio, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So after your drivers are updated, now try to check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to select right audio settings. So for that you have to press Windows plus G, and after that click on audio icon over here, and here make sure Windows default output your speaker is selected and the sound bar is set as 100%. Also go below sounds and are properly set up to 100% or not, and after you set the sound bar to 100%, now check if the issue or sound problem while playing the game is resolved or not. Next is to uninstall device under audio. So for that, go to search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand the sound, video and game controllers, select your audio, click on properties. Now click on driver tab, and here you need to click on uninstall device and then click on OK. So after this, check if the sound or audio problem is resolved or not. Next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if the sound problem is resolved or not. Next is to troubleshoot audio device. So for that, first go to the search option over here, search for settings. After that, click on system option over here, then go below and click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters, and here you need to click on run option beside audio, and after that check if the problem of sound is resolved or not. If not, next is to disable Windows Sonic or Spatial Sound. So for that, now click on hardware and sound and then click on sound option over here. After that, select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, then click on spatial sound, and here you need to select Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, restart your PC once. After restarting, now check if the sound or audio issue in NBA 2K26 game while playing is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix sound not working or audio crackling or distorted problem while playing the game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.